Actually got a company name here. I mean, we didn't. I mean, I own two companies, the main archery and farmerless, but we haven't sort of formed a company for this sort of thing. We're just making a product for this. Okay, the product basically is, if you've ever been in a situation where you've got CDs or DVDs and you've got to arrange them in some way so you can find them easily, So what we've done here is we've designed a system which is a cradle for DVD jackets or for CD jackets. So we two different cradles, and they sit into a thing on a rail. So if you've got a new DVD title or something like that, and you want to put it in between these two, you just slide them apart like you would a clothes hanger in a wardrobe, and put the new cradle in, and sitting on the cradle. And then when you need to get that out, you just lift it up, take it out, the cradle remains in place. You just put it back again, So you've got a nice decorator, right, and it holds your CDs with this system inside it, And you said you can either put it on, stack 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of them, width-wise, or side by side, It's a little
Well, we've progressed to really a complete product and a basic advertising campaign like a magazine ad, and we've got something to show that completely demonstrates what we've built, which is the DVD storage system, and it's just about ready to go. Only to get 2 more prints off the printer, and then once that's out, we'll assemble the whole thing, and job done. Yeah, I am.